One of the most often asked questions is, why do I grow in metal raised beds? Shockingly, there are several reasons why I prefer to grow in the raised beds. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So, one of the reasons why I love growing in raised beds is that you can grow your food faster. The soil in raised beds heats up a lot quicker in the spring than not being in a raised bed, which allows you to get a jump on gardening, planting food, or whatever you're using the raised bed for. Another reason for growing in raised beds is that you can make your own soil. I've recently posted a video showing how I do that. I'll put the link for that up on the screen. You can account for, in like my area here in North Florida, for areas with really poor sandy or clay soil, which is what I have here. Clay soil is very sticky. It's hard for plants to get their roots down into the soil, and it doesn't make very good for growing food into it. Most raised beds now are made with high quality metal, like galvanized steel or aluminum coated steel, which resist rotting, warping, and cracking, unlike wood or plastic. Down in South Florida, I had two wooden um, raised beds that I bought from my local big box store, and they stated that they would last for 3 to 5 years. Well, after a couple years, they both rotted out and fell to the ground. And it was at that moment there that I knew I wanted to grow in raised beds. Due to the thickness of the metal, these beds can last anywhere from 10 to 20 years. These beds are pest and rot resistant. Termites, carpenter ants, or wood rot are non-issues when you're using these beds. There's no risk of chemical leaching that can come from treated wood, such as pressure treated wood, such as cedar or oak or anything. Raised beds require little or no maintenance. There's no need to seal, paint, or replace boards every few years. Just a occasional rinsing to remove dirt or algae. They come in very different colors, the design and aesthetics. They are sleek, modern looking, that works with urban and country gardens. And they're available in many heights or shapes. Now, you've seen in my garden, we're looking at one now. This is a Birdie's tall raised bed, and I have 6 of these. And let me tell you, I really, really, really enjoy them. I don't have to bend over very much or anything like that, which is a plus. If you're growing in ground and are limited due to mobility issues or bad joints or anything like that, bending is a thing of the past. You don't have to do it as much. Metal raised beds offer space efficiency. And as I said, tall beds reduce bending, making them easier on the back and knees and hips. And the deep soil layers allow for dense planting and better yields. So even in this small area here, I can grow a lot of food, and I can grow it pretty quickly. Raised beds are made from recyclable steel, and will last far longer than wood, making them eco-friendly. So traditional gardening methods can be difficult. And let's face it, you have to deal with poor soil, you have to deal with pests such as rodents or insects, and it's difficult to make sure that the soil has the nutrients that you need and your plants need. Um, Here in my area, before I can plant anything, I would need to do tilling, a lot of it, and then bring in a lot of compost and a lot of sand in order to get the soil to work to my liking and in order to grow stuff. Um, Growing in raised beds is a lot simpler, a lot easier. So I encourage you to think about it. If you can use a raised bed. Now, initially when raised beds came out, they were pricey. However, you can get raised beds off of Amazon now relatively cheap. And regardless of the price um, or anything like that, raised beds are sturdy and will last a lot longer than wood or plastic. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Have you grown in raised beds, or are you growing in raised beds? If you are, describe your experiences in the comment section and I will reply. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in purchasing uh, t-shirts with my logo on or hats or anything like that, there's a link for that also in the video. And if you're interested in anything that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, and that's also listed in the comment section of the video. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.